Alright guys, so Samsung just revealed their brand new Samsung Galaxy A series of smartphones. That's the Samsung Galaxy A57 and the Samsung Galaxy A37. In this video, we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Now this phone, the Samsung Galaxy A57, is not trying to impress you with crazy specs, even though some of the specs are crazy. And it's also not an AI phone like they have positioned their flagship Samsung Galaxy S series like the S26 Ultra. In fact, this is a value for your money type of phone. And it does cost less than 50% of the S26 Ultra. In fact, this phone is going to retail for $550. So let's dive in and look at some of these features and some of its core specifications and see what you get for $550. Okay, let's dive in and look at the performance, display, battery life, and all that good stuff. And I do want to mention that it is going to be available on April the 9th at Samsung.com. Now, I do want to quickly talk about the build qualities. So on the rear, as you can see, we have a shiny finish. But this is Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, which just a few years ago was a flagship level build quality that you got on the S lineup of phones. And then we also have Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front display, which is going to be very durable and scratch resistant. And the side frame is going to be aluminum. So overall, you have a very nice looking build quality. The only thing I don't like is the shiny back finish, but it sure does look good. And the only color you can get this phone, the A57, is going to be in the color you're looking at, the navy blue. Now we do have a triple camera system. So we have a main 50 megapixel wide camera, and then we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel macro camera. Unfortunately, we don't have a telephoto lens, but again, we're talking about a sub $600 price point. There's also a 12 megapixel selfie camera. So what about the display? We do have a 6.7 inches full high definition plus display. We do have a 120 hertz display refresh rate. It is a super AMOLED display, but you can see here I can go from 60 hertz to 120 hertz. And again, it's a super AMOLED plus display with vision booster. So expect great image quality. And you can see if I switch from the regular mode to the dark mode, look at how deep those blacks are. Look at that. It goes completely black. And then I can go back to light mode. But you can see the difference between dark and black. That's the AMOLED display. And also the battery life, absolutely insane. This thing has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. That is just like the S26 Ultra. Okay, so if you're looking for a phone that doesn't cost much but has the massive battery capacity, this has got 5,000 milliamp hours. And also, interestingly, it has 45 watts super fast charging. So you can charge from 0 to 65% in 30 minutes. But again, on the flip side, it does not have wireless charging or reverse wireless charging. Again, Samsung has to make some sacrifices to reduce the price. Now, I only spent 1 hour with the phone, but I can tell you it felt fast and snappy. The chipset is brand new. It's an Exynos 1680 chip, which is faster than what we have in last year. This is a semi-flagship chipset. There's no question about that. You can see it's nice and snappy as I go through the stock wallpapers, which are also nice, by the way. But the Exynos 1680 is more efficient compared to the last gen, and it runs cooler, so you get better performance all around compared to the last gen. It's more than enough to handle just about anything you're going to throw at it for everyday use. And I also do want to mention that no matter which model you get, whether you get the 128GB model or the 256GB model, you do get 8GB of RAM standard, and you don't get a micro SD expansion option, just so you know. Now, one good news, the phone is running One UI 8.5 with Android 16, and of course, you do get 6 years of OS upgrades and 6 years of security upgrades standard with this phone. So that is actually very nice to have. And again, you have the latest software on the phone out of the box. The only other phone that has the One UI 8.5 right now is the S26 series. Now the phone also has all the core AI features like AI Select, Circle to Search, Object Eraser, Best Face in the camera, but it doesn't actually have a dedicated AI menu like the more expensive models. But under advanced features, you do have an AI menu with some of the features I mentioned. It has all the core AI features that are used most by people that own Samsung phones. I also forgot to mention the phone now has IP68 water resistant, which is a flagship feature, and it still has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. So that's all good stuff at this price point. Alright, so it looks like we have talked about everything here, everything that's important at least. Again, this is just a first impressions video for the A57. Like I said in the beginning, this phone is for people that are looking for value for money. This is not for people looking for a flagship phone with all the latest specs that will also pay $1,300, which is the price of an S26 Ultra. This is for people, value-minded people that want to get something that's long-term, that's reliable, that does everything you need it to do. It's got great performance. It's got a massive battery life, 5,000 milliamp hours, just like the S26 Ultra, and like I mentioned, fast charging. So that's very important for most people, especially the average Joe. But then we have the reliability and longevity. Like I said, we have 6 years of OS updates and 6 years of security updates. You pay $550 and you're set, good to go for 6 years. You just want a phone that does everything you want a phone to do these days. Watching movies, playing games, browsing, social media, nice, decent photos, a phone with good battery life, and also it happens to be a Samsung phone, so you are able to dive into the Samsung ecosystem. You can get the Samsung Galaxy Buds, you can get a tablet, you can get a Samsung Galaxy laptop. All that's going to work together very well within the ecosystem. But no matter what you're doing, you're not breaking the bank. But that's it. Like I said, it's not available just yet. It is going to go on sale April the 9th. This is just my first impressions. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, do drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. Do let me know what you think about it.